The WordPress Forms plugin is the best way to create custom form for your WordPress site. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the plugin to create a simple contact form. By the end of this video, you will be able to add a contact form to your WordPress site that allows visitors to get in touch with you. Watch the video now and learn how to use the WordPress Forms plugin. Hey, I'm Esteban, the Marketing Tips channel creator. In this channel, I will share tips to help affiliate marketers establish online business, including site building and driving traffic to make sales. If this is something that interests you, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell to notify you anytime I post updates to this channel. Since I value your time, let us dive into today's topic. So to install the plugin, I go to plugin, I click on plugin, I click on add new, I wait a bit for the system to load, and then I go to this search bar, I write WordPress Forms Lite. And after writing WordPress Forms Lite, I wait a bit for it to load. So this one, the first one on the left side, with almost 12,000 ranking and over 5 million activation is the one. So I click on install. After clicking on install, I click on activate. After clicking on activate, I wait a bit due to the weak internet issue. So it has been activated. You can see this welcome page with this video here, just to for short training if you want to, and you also have the option to create your first form right away, uh, as shown in this button here. Start the form challenge. You also have possibility to upgrade just in case you want more features than a free version. But personally, I don't use the upgraded version because I'm happy with the free version. uh, it can deliver what I want as a result. So in order to start setting the plugin, what I do is I go to plugin, I go to installed plugins, and wait a bit. Yes, now it loaded, and now I have to check for the contact form plugin, which is where is that? Yeah, it's here. It is WordPress Form Lite. I had installed previous plugin, but in this particular case, I will delete that one and use this plugin. So now, what I do is to go to setting and start setting the plugin in order to have my form created. Then, yeah, I click here where it says setting. After clicking there, I wait a bit, then comes to this point where you see this WordPress form right below. We have add the new. Click there as I did, and wait a bit. The internet is weak. It is processing. Yeah, it's processing, and then I will click here where it says let's go. I click there. After that, I have to add the name of the form. I just put contact, and after writing contact, I go down here where it says simple contact form. I click use this template. I click there. After After clicking use this template, it's loading, still loading. It brings a form. Yeah, let me show you after loading. Yeah, this is the form that it brings, this one. So you can have a lot of customization. You can even delete. For example, here it says click here to edit, and these are the options you have. I tend to be impressed with the capture option, but if I will not add it, I will click done, add the new feature, and done again. Wait, yeah, then there is two possibilities. One is to use existing page and create a new page. I will show you how it shows when it says when you selected the existing page. These are the page that I have on my site, so you can select any of these to embed the code, but it's not what I will do. Then I click on close. I go to preview, right click it, select open in a new tab, and it is still loading. It is still loading. Okay, so let us check the form. Well, for me it's okay. It has the name, it has the email. Yeah, that's for me it's fine. What I do is I go here and close the preview, and I save the form, and then I close the saved form in order to have access to the code, the form code. So I scroll down a bit. Here is the form code that I will copy it and pass it to my notepad. Not for to my not Pass it to my notepad, just to have it saved somewhere. And that's it at this point. Yeah, this is my notepad, and then I paste it here. I then minimize it, and what I do now is to go to pages, add new. I think you remember that we said that we are going to embed in a new page, not those pages that we had already on our side. So they bring me this one asking me to rate. It says you completed in 4 minutes and 12 seconds. You can either close it or rate it. But what I'll do is I will rate it just because it's a way of telling them thanks for the good form that they provide, easy and good form. I will give them 5 stars, and then I close it. I close again. Now let us create a title to our page. Remember that we agreed that I will not use the existing page, so we are creating a new page to our site. We go to the block. This is Gutenberg. We use the customer HTML block. We passed that code we have already copied and pasted to our notepad. I think you will remember that code. So this is the one. So we publish it. After publishing, we view the page, click on view page, so that we can confirm, yeah, this is the page that we created after adding that code from our notepad. So at this point, we are almost done. We can you can see here it says we can go to dashboard again, and view again the page if you want. We go to pages again, all pages. After that, we try to check the contact us page. We click on view again just to confirm. We then have again that page that we have created few seconds ago. That's it. This is the URL, page URL. You can copy it and paste it in your notepad. That's it, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.